India successfully tests new Russian S-400 air defense missile system for the first time. The Indian Armed Forces conducted their first military exercise with the newly acquired Russian-made S-400 air defense missile system. According to the South Asia news agency ANI, the system, now designated as the Sudarshan by the Indian Air Force (IAF), demonstrated exceptional performance in the exercise. The Sudarshan S-400 system achieved a remarkable success rate, effectively shooting down 80% of the simulated enemy fighter aircraft and compelling the remaining aircraft to retreat and abort their missions. The exercise took place in a theater where one of the IAF's squadrons has deployed the long-range air defense missile system, marking a significant enhancement of India's air defense capabilities. India signed the contract for the acquisition of the S-400 air defense missile system with Russia in October 2018. The deal, valued at approximately $5.43 billion, included the purchase of 5 S-400 batteries. The first delivery of the system arrived in India in December 2021, following which the Indian Air Force began integrating and testing the new technology. The S-400 Triumph, NATO designation, SAW-21 Growler, is one of the most advanced long-range air defense systems in the world. It is designed to detect, track, and destroy aircraft, drones, and ballistic and cruise missiles up to a range of 400 kilometers and at an altitude of up to 30 kilometers. The system can engage multiple targets simultaneously with a variety of missile types, providing a multi-layered defense shield. The key features of the S-400 include its extensive range and altitude capabilities, allowing it to target aerial threats at ranges of up to 400 kilometers and altitudes of up to 30 kilometers. It has a multi-target capability, able to track and engage up to 80 targets simultaneously. Equipped with advanced radar systems, the S-400 can detect stealth aircraft and other low observable targets. Additionally, the system is mobile and can be rapidly deployed and redeployed to different locations as needed. The successful exercise of the Sudarshan S-400 air defense missile system underscores India's growing defense capabilities and its strategic preparedness to counter aerial threats. The integration of such advanced systems into the IAF is expected to significantly enhance the country's air defense and deterrence posture in the region. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my Military Update News channel.